Welcome to Defense Digest. Today, India is not just talking security, it is aggressively building it. From launching a massive 79,000 crore rupees defense modernization drive to securing game-changing hypersonic capabilities and forging new diplomatic alliances across the globe, the message is clear: India is securing its future and asserting its strategic dominance. Get ready for the latest updates shaping the nation's shield. We start with the bedrock of India's readiness, a colossal 79,000 crore rupees dedicated solely to defense procurement. This isn't just routine spending, this massive push is strategically directed at immediate capacity enhancement specifically tailored to counter the two-front threat posed by China and Pakistan. This expenditure fuels Mission Sudarshan Chakra, the framework integrating advanced indigenous missile systems like Pralay and Astra into a cohesive layered air defense strategy. And the future is already here. DRDO has unveiled a ground-based directed energy weapon, a high-tech leap into non-kinetic warfare that fundamentally changes the defense playbook. Next, a major technological triumph for the Indian Navy. Reports confirm DRDO's long-range anti-ship missile, the LRASHAM, is now a hypersonic glide missile, capable of covering 1,500 kilometers in a blistering 15 minutes. This capability exponentially boosts the Navy's long-range strike power. Protecting our skies is the proven S-400 air defense system, set to be showcased publicly in 2026. This vital acquisition, which played a key role in Operation Sindoor, ensures an impenetrable shield against aerial threats. The success of Atmanirbhar Bharat is now visible globally. India has secured a significant defense export deal, sending the highly effective indigenous Pinaka multi-barrel rocket launcher system to Armenia. This strategic export not only strengthens ties but cements India's position as a reliable defense partner. Domestically, updates are critical for our aerospace sector. We are monitoring the delivery status of the Tejas Mk1A fighters, essential for the IAF's squadron strength, while HAL pushes forward on the even more advanced Tejas Mk2 variant, ensuring the future of our indigenous air power. Finally, the diplomatic front. India is executing brilliant geopolitical moves, signing a crucial new security and defense deal with the UAE. This partnership is highly strategic, acting as a crucial counterweight to the emerging defense pact between Saudi Arabia and Pakistan. Simultaneously, India is expanding its high-tech access through formalized cooperation with the West. A landmark security and defense partnership agreement with the European Union is set to be signed, opening doors for advanced technology transfer and collaborative future defense projects. From supersonic capabilities in the sea to diplomatic victories in the Gulf, India's defense machine is operating on all cylinders, ensuring the nation stands strong, secure, and self-reliant. Every story today underscores our commitment to sovereignty and the readiness of our armed forces. If you value detailed, professional, and patriotic coverage of India's strategic rise, hit that like button, share this video, and most importantly, subscribe to Defense Digest. Jai Hind!